3 minutes, 10 minutes, oh, it's still okay naik. Sometimes he don't know how to go up later. I have to tell him.
Yeah. I watch.
Maybe who knows current, yeah?
Yeah.
When you wait, take care, just go up. When you want to go up, flip-nya juga. Flip up in. Tekan dulu, jangan jatuh dulu. Itu kalau mau turun, can press nanti kasih naik sedikit. Apabila kena current, arus kencang, down current sampai. You have to flip little bit, flip, langsung naik up little bit, don't mat, lanjut dulu, banyak-banyak.
Let's watch. Does it go on automatically? So once I go in the water, it starts.
This automatic.
Automatic.